What's up guys, Biker Dave here with the Honda GoldWing. If you want to be able to hang your helmet underneath here when you're parked somewhere, let's show you how to do it real quick. First, make sure that the bike is unlocked so you can use your key fob to unlock the bike, or use your key on it right here and open up the main hatch with the lever that's underneath right there. And then inside here, now inside there, may be a little hard to see this, but there are two little levers right there, and then one on the other side. And all you do is just pop the lever open, and then the hook falls down at the bottom. Looking from underneath the bike now in the back, when you pop that lever, the hook drops down right there. And if you want to do the one on the left side, just unhook the other one. Then with your your little loop on your helmet, just hang it on there and then push it closed. You can do the same with your passenger helmet right there and just lock it closed. So then, when you are parked somewhere, especially if you've got a load of gear inside, if your trunk was loaded with gear and you couldn't put your helmet in there, this is a good place to lock it so that you don't have to carry it with you, and it will stay secure on these locks right there, because you'd have to open this if the trunk were locked with the fob. You can't open it unless you have the key. Pretty cool. And then to release it, just hold your helmet right here, loosen the lock. It drops down again. And there you go. Nifty little feature. Check out other videos about the Honda GoldWing. We got tons of cool stuff on our channel about motorcycles, cars, and whatnot. So scan through our channel, you might find something you like. This is a 2012 GL1800. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.